Hello, everybody. I know it's been a minute. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, and we're coming to you today with this orange ground chicken. Is what we're going to make today. You know, it takes some time to record these videos and edit them, and time of which I have not had. And so I'm trying to get back to it. So we're going to go ahead and start with putting some sesame oil in the pan to get it to warm up. And this is a tablespoon of sesame oil. And I already had the pan starting to warm. So, no. I'll take it down to 300. And go ahead and add in a pound of ground chicken to start to brown. Brown it up. So I'm going to brown this, and then I'll be right back. All right, so doesn't have to be cooked through, just needs to be brown on each side. So I put down the spoon, and I picked up this spatula so I could turn things over and make sure they were brown, because we're going to continue to cook it with all of the sauce and stuff like that. So now I'm going to add in, this is 2 tablespoons of ginger. Ginger, fresh ginger. Get out of there. Last little bit. Okay. And then this is 4 cloves of garlic. I think it's really 5, but it calls for 4. And then this is a tablespoon of sriracha. You can use red pepper flake or some other kind of spicy seasonings. And it actually called for a this is orange chicken, so it called for a half a cup of orange juice, but I pureed the orange in my food processor, or my blender, because from the reviews that I read, somebody said it didn't have enough orangey flavor. So why not use the whole orange, you know? So that's what I'm doing. And last but not least, it calls for soy sauce, but this is coconut aminos, and I'm using that. And that was 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So this is supposed to, I'm stirring it well and bring up the heat a little bit to a nice simmer. Stirring this around. I may add some more seasonings to it, but this is what it's looking like at the moment. Try to follow recipes as they would like you to follow them. But I'm going to put this with some broccoli and some rice. And while this is doing its thing, I'm going to go ahead and steam some broccoli in the microwave that I've already put in the microwave. Bring this down just a little bit. And I'm going to let this simmer on low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes till this sauce thickens up. And I'm going to taste and see if I need to add anything else to it. And I'll be back. Let's turn this around. All right, so it is finished cooking and thickening up, and I am going to plate this with some rice and broccoli, and I'll be back to show that to you. And I tasted it. I don't think I need to add anything. It was probably a smart move to puree the whole orange because it has such a nice orangey flavor with the sesame oil and the garlic and the ginger. It just has such a nice Asian flavor, really good. And I think the orange um, offsets the spiciness of the sriracha. So I will be back. All right, so here is the finished product. I have broccoli, rice, the orange chicken, and I topped it with a little bit of sesame seeds. So you ought to try it. It is so very good. I tasted it off camera, and here you go. Easy peasy orange chicken without having to fry and do all of that good stuff with some ground chicken, or you can use turkey. All right, guys, see you next time. Do whatever you have to do to stay healthy, happy, and whole.